You are watching Learn with Rushika. Welcome to my channel. The Two Cats and the Monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were very good friends. They had a piece of bread. While sharing, they cut the bread into two pieces, big and small. So they began start fighting for the bigger piece of bread. At the same time, a monkey saw both of them fighting with each other. The monkey said, "I will share it equally in both of you." He bit the bigger piece to make it equal. Again he takes the bit of the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral of the story: we must learn to share what we have. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.